everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making Dubai chocolate with my sister. Really happy to be here and I look forward to eat the Dubai chocolate. Yes, it's viral and of course we needed to try it out. So let's get started. And it looks like this, so it's ready. I'm adding the coconut oil in the white chocolate. I'm mixing it and now I will split it in two so I can add a little bit of color. Ready, we have white and green. So it's ready. I'm adding a little bit of the pistachio seeds. This is a twist. It's something that I like to do, but it's optional.
Yes, it's a twist. It's not the authentic recipe, but I really recommend it.
Yeah, it's like a nutty twist for crunch.
For extra crunch.
So after 5 minutes in the freezer, the chocolate is frozen and now we're gonna add the filling. So the Dubai chocolate is ready. We left it approximately 15 minutes in the freezer. As you can see, it's frozen. And now it's a test. Are you excited?
Can't wait.
So let's do it. So take it like this. Now just press. Ooh. It's kind of very good. Looks amazing. So the best part is now taste test. I'm so curious to see if the crunch is there. So let's do it. Yes, let's do it. It's real. So good. Very good. Now I understand the hype. Wow, you guys, you have to try it. And super easy. And the pistachio, it's everything. Can you hear the crunch? 10 out of 10. So let's say bye so we can eat the rest. Good idea. So you guys, that's it for today's video. The Dubai chocolate is so delicious. We love it.
Worth it.
Yeah, the hype is worth it. You need to try it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Write me in the comments if you remake it and also if you want to see Marina in more videos and what kind of recipes you would like to see from us. And see you next time. Ciao!